Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy S23 and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So first of all, let's open your contact list, find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. Now you have to tap on this info icon in the right side and now tap on edit. And as you can see, here we've got this kind of camera icon, so let's enter. And here we've got the section which will allow us to add the profile picture. As you can see, we can pick it from the gallery, we can pick the camera, so your device will open the camera up and you will be able to take a photo right away. You've got the AR emoji and the stickers. It's up to you which option you'd like to use. I will pick the gallery. And now let's pick the photo. And as you can see from this step, we can adjust the size of this square and the highlighted circle inside of it. We can change the position of it also. And thanks to this, we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this area is responsible for it. So just position it like you want to and tap on done. As you can see, the photo has been applied, so remember to tap on save. And this is how our contact looks like right now. You will be able to see this photo on the contact list, as you can see it is right here, or during all incoming calls from that number. So basically that's all. This is how to add the photo to a contact in your Samsung Galaxy S23. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.